Hello friends. In this video, we will be talking about two Omicrons. One is the Omicron which is causing a lot of problem in different countries, and it is the coronavirus which has mutated, and we will see how it has mutated and why it has mutated, and the various ways in which it is evading the protection that we have created using the vaccination system by scientists. But the other Omicron which I wanted to talk about in this video is the phase 2 Acumen answer writing program. Earlier, if you see, we conducted the phase 1 answer writing program for mains. We could not accommodate many. As I told you, the team was very small and the logistics which we had for handling that number of people was small. And hence, we wanted to give quality service, quality correction, and we have been successfully giving that through this Acumen program 1. Now what we have done is that we have gained some confidence in handling of students properly, and we have the system ready for handling the answer sheets that are coming, and Acumen phase 2 answer writing program, the details of which will be put in the Minds of Aspirant group. There will be a Google form also. You can click that and you can enroll yourself, and we can think about the phase 2, or we can start the phase 2 answer writing, and slowly we can build the answer structure. And we have been doing that for the phase 1 batch. It is very near to the closing of that first batch, and hence we have now decided to start the second batch. We could not accommodate in the phase 1 because the main theme of this program was to build answer structure, and it had to be given feedback regularly, and it had to be checked regularly, and the number of papers that I could correct was limit, in the sense it had to be limited, otherwise it would have been the whole system would have clogged down, and feedback would not be proper, and the whole main idea of building answer structure would go down, and that is why we had a lesser number then. Now we have the point is that we know, or we have, the team has gained confidence that we would be giving proper feedback to students now, and hence we are starting this program. The details will be put in the Minds of Aspirant group. The link will be in the description, and you can join that Minds of Aspirant Telegram group. In that, we'll have all the brochures and the details put, and the enrollment can be done. So let us go into the video. So the Omicron virus has been declared as a virus of concern by WHO because of the genome sequencing which happened in different countries, and they have identified that this virus has a lot of mutations than the previous version, and hence it is a virus of concern. But you might think again, so the question might be, corona has been there for a very long time, or past 2 years we have been seeing that there are many versions of corona coming. So what is this Omicron, what has happened, is a question that you might ask, what has changed. So who are the point is that alpha, beta, gamma, and delta, and whatever version they are naming it, who are these people naming it, and why are they naming it? This question might arise in our mind, So I thought of describing the changes which have happened in the virus with the help of an analogy. So with the help of an analogy of a home and a thief, I would try to explain what has changed in this virus. So if you think, your body is the house. So you think about your body as an house, and the virus, okay, and the virus as the thief. So when there is a house, the thief tries to enter it. So at when the appropriate time comes, the thief tries to enter it. But usually, what happens is that usually your house, or this can be prevented using surveillance cameras and police, so I will prevent the burglary. So if I allow the thief will come inside the house and take away everything which is present in the house, and will let the house down, so what I will do is that I will have preventive measures. The police to get hold of this thief, or the CCTV camera, or many other things which are necessary for prevention of all these things. And this is what is called as vaccination, and this is what is called as antibodies. So in your body, when you get vaccinated in your body, what it does is that it builds a strong force. It builds a strong force. It is like in the movie Inception. Inception, you will have they will go inside the dream, inside a dream. So the person itself will say that I have been trained to prevent implantation of an idea. So they will have armed guards. See, there is in the movie Inception, you will find it, armed guards to prevent your inception of an idea. This is exactly how your body is protected using a vaccine. Antibodies will be generated when you get vaccinated, and that antibodies will prevent you from any robbery which might happen using the virus. But what has happened? So, what is this Omicron? So, what has happened is that this Omicron is an updated. So it is like this person earlier was a small time thief, and this person happens to be a thief. He is now updated, or he is now updated in the case of technology. So now an upgradation of the virus has happened. So now when it comes inside the house, it is not coming inside the house using all the old technology. Rather, it is coming through the computers and things like that. Cyber security now is missing. So now, for example, this virus has changed to an extent that it is coming and it is again infecting the body, or again infecting the house. Now, if you ask me, yes, you have gotten vaccinated, your police is there, but police or our system, for example, in UPSC also this happens, right? They are asking a question in GS paper 3. Cyber security is now becoming a very prominent thing. Why cyber security, cyber technology, and the contents that needs to be taught to the police force is now becoming a very important concept in GS paper 3, is that the police force has not been equipped to handle this. This is the point. They have not been equipped to handle this. And you can think about the same analogy. Our body has been equipped to handle a certain type of or our antibodies have been built, and the earlier versions of the virus we are able to handle. But now the virus has mutated a lot. And this, because if you see why it happened, because many of the people in for example, because of vaccine inequity is there. All the rich countries and the developed countries have gotten vaccination, and they are thinking about booster shots. But many countries do not have vaccines. This virus goes there and it practices at that point, practices itself. This is like a practice ground. Person without vaccination is like for example, a state without police control, law and order. A state does not having law and order gives rise to terrorism, gives rise to people with nefarious activities. That is why governance is important. And when for a virus, a body which is not vaccinated will be a ground for breeding, will be a ground for training. And for example, in our country, many of the people I have spoken itself is that there is a misconception that this vaccine that they are doing is very harmful, or they are thinking that their body will take care of themselves. But this is a very wrong notion. They might not get affected, but they are giving a breeding ground for these viruses in order for them to train themselves better to attack again. So the people are not thinking about their own body. They are actually causing harm to the society. And this is the analogy of this Omicron. But if you think about it in simple terms, what are all these viruses, is that there is a very wonderful book by Pranay Lal, by Invisible Empire, the natural history of viruses. He has written a book, very wonderful book. He describes how viruses have come, how these viruses are there, how they mutate, and what they have done, and how some viruses and pathogens are very helpful, or microbes are very helpful for us. It is a very nice book. You can read that book also. But what we understand from that book is that viruses, for example, contain genetic code called as RNA. That is single strand. So one strand will be there. Your body or a human body has two strands, DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. So if you happen to see what is this RNA and DNA, these are the genetic code, that is your coding for the making of your body is in that DNA. The blueprint, this is called as the blueprint, it is DNA or RNA. That is the blueprint which will be transcribed into your whole structure, So these DNA and RNA are like the main drivers of a vehicle. So your body is just a vehicle. That is the point, right? We talk about in philosophy and things like that. In Bhagavad Gita, it is there. Your body is just a vehicle. It is traveling through the time. So this is what it means. So for example, your body is just because your body will disappear, but the gene gets propagating. The gene was present earlier also. The gene which is there coded in your DNA, it was present there also. It is present now. It will be present in the future as well. It is the main driver of your body. Will be just a vehicle. Just a vehicle. Today this vehicle is not there. Tomorrow one other vehicle will come. This is what is called as that RNA DNA. But now what has happened is that this if you see, this is what Darwin, or this is what this evolution meant by survival of the fittest. That is, two species are there. So one species, when it is trying to attack yourself, so corona is trying to attack humans, means it will, because, and the point is that we have prevented it. So we have prevented it, but that is the point. For that species or the virus, it has to attack some way, so it will mutate. And it so happens that RNA, so ribonucleic acid, that is single strand, it mutates faster. It is not like human DNA. RNA mutates very fast, and as a result of which, what happens is that this coronavirus uses these unvaccinated people, unvaccinated people as their breeding ground, as their training ground. So, and people today also are refusing to get vaccinated, but they are doing a lot of harm to other people. See, this is the point. We have to think about others in the society as well. But anyway, the point is that this virus gets mutated very fast, and it is using them as a training ground, and it is causing a lot of problem. But if you happen to see how these this is the point, this spike, if you have seen in the TV, the spike, and it will be a round ball and there will be a spike. It is that lock, it is that key, it is that key through which there is a site ACE2, sorry, ACE2. This was asked in prelims this time. What is ACE2? This was a question in 2021 prelims. It is the site in which this spike gets attached. So the corona spike gets attached and it slowly gets into the house. See, this is what I said by analogy. It is like a thief who puts the key and gets into the house slowly. This ACE2 site is the place where this coronavirus comes, and it slowly transfers into the cell, and it starts multiplying and it starts causing the problem. And that is what we have seen. And this Omicron, what has happened is that now it has transformed itself. The spike has transformed itself in order to affect more. So that is the point. But whether to be worried about this, soon the scientists are thinking about the ways in which in order to prevent them. So soon we'll know the answer for this. And this is the whole story of Omicron, using an analogy. But the point is that, so what we had promised is that why this thing is that we are, as we are promised, the second phase of Acumen answer writing program. So we have named it Acumen phase 2, and the details of that program. So answer writing, initially we could not accommodate everyone. We did not have the strength for accommodating, or the infrastructure for accommodating everyone. Now I think we would be accommodating. That is why this phased manner of answer writing program, not at one go. So phased manner, because we wanted to give appropriate feedback and appropriate timing, so that it will be helpful, because building of answer writing is a very slow process, and that is why we had this in the phased manner. And the details of the program I will put in the Minds of Aspirant group. and the link is given in the description below. You can check it. In the group also, I'll be putting the details. The Google form will be put. Please enroll in that program, and we will start this Omicron. So Omicron, the name Acumen Omicron. The earlier version was not a, that is what. So earlier Acumen 1 was there. Now Acumen 2 Omicron version has come. So we'll help you discover your or improve your answer writing much. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like it, share it, subscribe to the channel, and please do click on the Minds of Aspirant Telegram channel, so that you will get the information for prelims, mains, and regular current affairs materials, and many other things related to UPSC, and also the relevant programs that we will be conducting. Thank you.